guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for the love. கிட்டத்தட்ட வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய பேர் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க and நிறைய கமெண்ட்ஸ் வருது and என்னென்னலாம் உங்களுக்கு வீடியோஸ் வேணும் அப்படின்ற அந்த மாதிரியான ரெக்வெஸ்ட்லாம் எனக்கு வருது. ஸோ தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் த ரெஸ்பான்ஸ். நான் இன்னும் வந்துட்டு நிறைய இம்மீடியட் ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் கொடுக்கணும், நிறைய வீடியோஸ் போடணும், நிறைய கான்டென்ட் உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கணும் அப்படின்ற ஒரு ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டியை நீங்கள் எனக்கு தரீங்க. ஸோ that's why here I am. இன்னைக்கு வந்து I have taken one facial kit from Vlcc Skin Tightening facial kit. This cost around 99 rupees. So very basic cost that 99. So இது வாங்குனீங்கன்னா per session 1 day you can use. This is my first usage. I'm going to review it for you guys. Skin tightening kitல என்னெல்லாம் இருக்குன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா it's a 5-step facial. So 5-step facialல we have 5 sachets. The number 1 sachet is cleaner cum toner. Though இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா you have aloe vera, so clean up your face. I've used many cleansers, but this cleanser is a very special cleanser because it has a foaming effect, and when you're using it with a wet cotton, you'll feel the very feathery touch and all, and it's very moisturizing, and especially the smell of the cleanser is amazing. As we all know, the second step will be the scrub. This facial scrub has walnut and berries. இது வரைக்கும் நான் berries யூஸ் பண்ணதில்லை, எதுலையுமே நான் யூஸ் பண்ணி பார்த்ததில்லை. I don't know how my skin gonna react to it also. I've used walnuts, but then berries I've not used. Okay, let's I don't know how berries would smell, but if this is the smell of berries, I hate it. First, when I started, no, those berries didn't smell that good. But right now, I have got used to it, or no, I don't know. But then this is good actually. Now the scrub has dried up, so it's time to wash it off. I'll go do that. Ta-da! After the scrub, this is how my face looks. My skin looks. See? After a very gentle scrub, I didn't do a gentle scrub actually, but then my skin feels so good. Berries really work. Okay, the next step is skin tightening facial massaging gel. So this massaging gel has to be absorbed by your skin, so you have to massage it till it gets absorbed. My skin has absorbed the whole lot of gel. Really a wonderful massage I had. யாராவது பண்ணி விட்டுருந்தாங்கன்னா இன்னும் சூப்பராக இருந்திருக்கும், அந்த மாதிரி இருந்தது. நானே பண்ணிட்டதுனால கொஞ்சம் எஃபெக்ட் கம்மி தான். பட் தென் the gel ரொம்ப சூப்பர் effective. I've used many massaging gel. I've gone to many parlors and people have done massages for me, but this one was really worthy enough and best. The process is over. The fourth process is gonna be facial cream with almond and peach gel. This facial cream has to be massaged for 8 to 10 minutes and then has to be wiped off, I guess. Wiped off. So let's do it. Indoor color. Yellow is my favorite color. One of the favorite color. I'm pretty excited about this facial kit actually because it's 99 rupees and skin tightening. I don't know, it has the same old gel massage and this tightening cream and all. Same old concept will be there, I thought, but then this was not like that. The concept itself, it's a very different one, and all the cream and massage gels are so new to me. To have a massage lying down, so I'll do that and meet you back. After a whole lot of 8 minutes of massage, I got my eyes burning. The cream has absorbed, you can see, but then a little bit over there you can feel the stickiness. But for that sake, I'm going to wipe it off. It was very dry, so I'm adding a toner to it. It is a rose tone only, Lotus Herbals. This is the first pack I made in this kit. It looks like in Multani Methi pack only, but then the smell differs. I feel some irritations over here and my sensitive area. Lot of product for using for my neck. This step I really hate. I don't know why, because when I opened it, it was so dry, and then I used my toner to make it some liquidy state and apply it. After applying it, I feel so dry and itchy and all. This instead of this cucumber and mulberry pack, I can use my Multani Methi, I guess. Other than that, those 4 packs, which is like toner, cleaner and scrub, gel and massage cream, was so good. This has to be on my face for 10 minutes, and then I would be washing this and showing me the final face. Yes, it's done. My 5-step process of the skin tightening facial kit has done. So it's time to tell some positives and negatives about it. You can see my face is like so fresh. Like I use all the facial kit, I feel the same. But then this has a very good effect, and it says it tightens the skin, and it does also. See, I had a lot of wrinkles over here and my skin was very loose enough. Now I can feel the tightened skin right now. Yes, I really feel that. So it does it, tightening. And all those 5 steps were so good, especially the gel and the facial cream was amazing. It was like super effective. But the facial mask, that is the final one, the cream which I applied, and I was out of product for my neck and it was very sticky. I had to use my toner and all those things happened. So I didn't like it. You can use Multani Methi actually. It does the same as Multani Methi. Other than that, it was a pretty good facial kit under 100. If you want to buy it, the link is in my description. Please buy it and use it and give me your comments and your reviews about it. And if you have some negative comments, you feel free to tell me so that I can correct it. Thank you for the whole lot support you people giving me, and please keep supporting and subscribe my channel. And if you like to know more of me, please follow me on Instagram also. I say it always, if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you like this video so much, please subscribe to my channel, and you can just share it to your friends who need this. So that's it for the video. Let's wind it up. I'll meet you up in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Keep watching and keep rocking, my lovelies.